area we're coming to is where the post office is, Opera House, and some of the real top-notch hotels. It's about, I think, 4:30 now, so it's heading into peak time. So we're going to try and get on out into the outskirts a little. I want to get some country air. So let's hit the countryside for a little while, go for a little bike ride. Get out of this city vibe. Got the maps here. Anyway, let's head on out to the outskirts and check out some more of Vietnam. Just going over one of the bridges here. We're heading over to the Long Bien area. It's the Red River. Actually, it's called the Red River, but it looks brown. Beautiful day though. Not sure if you can hear me because of this wind, but it is quite windy. Alright guys, so we have stopped here at some fried durian little cart. I don't know if you've tasted durian, but it's like the king of fruits here. A lot of people say it's disgusting and they spew up. So give you guys a bit of a look. So I'm going to grab one, and I've eaten durian before, so it is pretty potent. If you've never eaten durian, you need to try it, man. It's actually quite good for you. Anyway, I'm gonna grab one. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Come on, man, come on, man. So this guy's got a pile of them. And, oh, just through the bag, it's so potent. Whew. Damn, that's potent. Anyway, we're gonna have a bit of a nibble on that and carry on with our journeys. Alright guys, so I've stopped in a town called Ecopark. It's actually a new development of buildings here in Hanoi. They're trying to build up and build apartments so people can stay in like these big high-rise apartments. Pretty much like the Chinese prefectures if you've ever been to China. So here in Ecopark they've got some buildings that are kind of new. So I'm just having a look around this area because it's kind of modern, and it's not too bad actually. It's about probably 30 or 40 k's out of Hanoi, southeast of Hanoi. So let's have a little look around this area on the motorbike and see if we can check out some of the vibes. Got like little shopping malls and all sorts of shops, restaurants, so it's kind of modern. I like the trees here, which is much different to actually Hanoi city where there's not much trees, and it's a lot cooler here. You can actually feel the difference in temperature compared to the city, which doesn't have much vegetation at all. So the big buildings are just up here. Look at all these trees just lined along this street here. So all the buildings are through those trees up the top there. kind of new, like probably within the last 10 years they've built this area, Ecopark. These are all the prefecture type apartment buildings. And this area has won like awards for like the cleanest city in Vietnam because of the vegetation, because of the trees. And it's no wonder. I mean, look at all those. Those look like ferns. These trees actually look like ferns. Some kind of fern. You've got all the trucks doing some like harboring there. And you still got all the noise of the motorbikes and stuff like that, and the vehicles and stuff. So you've got to contend with traffic still. But I really like the nature vibes that have embedded itself into the residential area here. I think that's pretty cool. And they've got like a lot of man-made lakes and stuff like that as well, and parks. Parks over there. Now we're heading out of the area. So there you go, Ecopark. There's a sign that says Ecopark right there as well. Let's see where this area goes to. Look at all the trees. It's pretty cool. Good place to stay. It's kind of modern, but it's also embedded itself into the nature vibes, which is good. So you've got a good balance. Look at all the flowers along here. We can stop here and check out those vibes. So look at those vibes right there, guys. Nice little river. And over there are those buildings I was talking about, apartment buildings, which are nestled within nature. You've got all the flowers and vegetation along the river, which is pretty cool. I wonder if I could throw the drone up. It is a bit windy though. This is the bridge. Anyway, it's heating to about 35 degrees now. I think the maximum today was about 40 degrees, which is pretty hot. But now it's like around 35 degrees, so the sunglasses on, which is pretty cool. I wonder if people actually throw their fishing line over here and do some fishing down in there. I wonder what kind of fish they get down there. I wonder if there's any alligators. Who knows? Alright guys, so we are randomly just going through a small town. I have no idea what the name of this little town is, but it's pretty cool. Just free roaming around and just checking out some of the vibes. I like these towns because I've got a lot of trees here, so it's really cool. It's heading to about 6 p.m. at night now, so sunset's about to drop. So I think we'll make our way to the supermarket, grab some goodies and grab some dinner, and make our way back home. But yeah, it's been pretty cool afternoon, just having a bike ride. I haven't had a bike ride like this for a while, so it's good just to jump on the bike and come and check out some of the vibes around the area. No lockdown, no social distancing crap. None of that here in Vietnam, and I guess there's not going to be much of that in the future as well. Vietnam's kind of like independent, so it's not like these Western countries like UK, New Zealand, Canada, America. They're kind of, and even Australia, they're kind of together. So if one thing happens in one of those countries, it will eventually happen in the rest. So here in Vietnam, they're independent, so it's a real good thing about it. You can see a lot of these businesses are open too, so people are making their own incomes and economic means. Anyway guys, we are going to leave it at that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. It's been pretty cool checking out some of the vibes. Hopefully we can do a lot more of these kind of vlogs very soon. Anyway guys, you guys have a great life, not just a great day. We'll see you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, some of the students experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys. Peace.